chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to Tika Tales. It's your girl Tika, and I got something to tell you. Welcome to day 23 of Vlogmas in Japan. As I told you guys before, I'm a day late, so it's actually Christmas Eve here. So we're putting on our PJs. We're gonna make homemade chocolate chip cookies, play a few games, drink some hot chocolate, and just have fun with the kids. So if you want to see my nephews have fun with their Tika,
no more in there. Drink it. Drink it. What?
pick it up and drink it.
You want to taste it?
Is it T-S? What? If you're not making a mess, you're not cooking, okay? So we always make a mess. Here you go.
Come on,
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so the next time Tika has a tail, you'll be in the loop. Peace and Merry Christmas Eve.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.